Hello and welcome to this quick video where I will be taking you through on how you can use the camera feature on the Testimonio app. So you're logged into your Testimonio account, you're looking at your dashboard right here, but then you go to video, seeing as you want to make a video on the app. Here you find already existing videos, but that's okay. I'm showing you how you can use the camera feature. So you just come over here and click on add new video. Once you do that, it will take you to this page where you see the options of doing a camera recording or a screen recording whilst accessing your camera as well. This feature is coming soon, right? And then here you have the option of already uploading an already existing video. Now let's click on the camera feature, seeing as this is the feature we're going to be exploring. All you need to do is click on start recording. Once you do that, it will count you down to your recording. Then you make your recording. Once you're done making your recording, you click on stop. Let's say you're not satisfied with the video recording that you just did. All you need to do is click on no, where it will take you back to where you can recreate another video, and you just need to click on start recording. And once you do that, same process is going to count you down, and then you can start your recording. Once you're done with your recording, you click on stop recording, click on yes, seeing as you're satisfied with the video, and that is how you use the camera feature. Once it's done loading, it will take you to another page where you can now then do a little bit of setting configurations on your video. You can put your maybe brand logo, title sample, just basically following out all that's listed here, right? So this is how you can access the camera feature on the Testimonio app. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you'd like to see more videos on how you can better navigate the Testimonio app, click on the subscribe button.